So welcome back guys in our fourth part of Quadro graphics card video tutorial. So just simply press 7 on keyboard and add text and type QUA caps lock QUADRO the Quadro. Okay, and scale on x-axis and scale down. Go to wireframe mode, grab and scale down. Okay, and go to here, character spacing, something like this, and change the font if you like to change the font. Okay, I think this one is fine. Okay, solid view. Now let's come over here, geometry and extrude, and grab on Z axis, just simply leave around here. Give this a new material and press 7 on numpad. Shift D to duplicate one more time and press RTX 4000. Okay, scale down and leave around here and bring this one up. Okay, and just leave here. Okay, press Control number 3. Let's change the anchor point around here. Shift A, add cylinder, rotate on Y axis around 90 degrees, scale down, go to wireframe mode, scale down and scale down around here. Edit mode, Shift D to duplicate on Y axis and leave here. Okay, select boolean, take a knife tool and apply, and object collection, move to collection 2. Now shift D to duplicate on x-axis, cancel the all array modifier, press 90 degree on minus and change the position, press Control number 3. Scale up, scale down, scale up, shift D to duplicate on y-axis around here. Okay, so now let's come over here and change to render viewport. Shift A, add a plane and scale on 50. Grab it down. Let's check on ambient occlusion, screen space reflection and refraction. Let's add a background environment texture. Okay, basic 2K003. Okay, this one. So now just simply select and increase the metallic look, also specular level, and decrease the roughness value just a little bit. Okay, and leave here. Now let's come over here, this green one, decrease the red value, decrease the blue value, and increase the metallic look, also specular level, little bit roughness value. Okay, now But before, we had to do this. Go to edit mode, face select mode, select this face, okay, and assign this face a new material, okay, the black one, something like this. Full metallic, increase specular level, decrease roughness value, decrease the color also. Let's come over here, edit mode, face select mode, select the faces, and assign material 0013. Okay, looking very nice. Oh, solid view, select and assign. Okay, 3D viewport. Now select the quadro, increase metallic look, increase specular level, and decrease the roughness value. Select this one, give black to black. Okay, and change this one to full metallic. And decrease the specular level. No, increase the specular level and decrease the roughness value. Around here, select the blades and change the color to black with metallic look. Okay, now select the bracket and change the color to black with metallic look. Specular level, decrease the roughness value. Select these edges, anything we call these brackets, material 0011, material 011, the same material. Okay, now let's come over here, the bolts, increase metallic look, specular level, decrease the roughness value. Okay, now the heat sinks, increase metallic look, specular level, and decrease the roughness value. Okay, now let's come over here, select and change to yellow and increase metallic look, specular level, and roughness value. Select, give material 004 is black, increase metallic look, specular level, and decrease the roughness value. Now let's come over here, give material 008 to full black, not full black, a little bit black around here, and change material 0009 to full metallic, increase the specular level and decrease the roughness value. I think more black. So there's something wrong, so we had to fix this. Select the Quadro graphics. Where is knife tool? Here. Take knife tool around here to here. Okay, now where is face select mode? Assign. Okay, now it's working nice. So guys, I think the Quadro graphics card video tutorial is completed. So hope you learned something new in this video guys. So just stay tuned with me, subscribe my channel if you like my content, and also press the notification bell so you never miss any update from my channel. So stay tuned with me and goodbye guys. See you in the next one.